Buongiorno a tutti! My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today we will be baking an easy apple cake from the kitchen of Rosinella Cacciacarro. For this recipe, you will need vanilla extract, sugar, flour, eggs, baking powder, vegetable oil, salt, orange or apple juice, and apples. For the topping on your apple cake, you're going to be using sugar and apples, and all the other ingredients consisting in the actual cake. For the first step, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. As well, you want to grease your cake pan. I'm going to be using a round cake pan, and as I've said in prior videos, you always want to put a cookie sheet underneath the cake pan, because if there's any excess cake that drips over, you don't want anything burning inside your oven. For the first step, you will want to mix your brown sugar and your cinnamon together, and this is going to be for the topping on the cake, and you're going to set that aside. For the next step, you're going to take your first 5 ingredients described, which include your sugar, your vegetable oil, your eggs, your orange or apple juice, and your vanilla, and you're going to combine that and beat it together. For the next step, you're going to take your apples and you're going to cut them, you're going to peel them, and you're going to chop them into about maybe 1/2 inch size slices. Immediately following that, you're going to mix your flour, your baking powder, and your salt together, and you're going to add it gradually to your egg mixture, which is the first 5 ingredients that you beat together at the beginning of the whole process. Once everything is properly combined, you're going to put half of your batter in your cake pan. You're going to put your apples and a bit of the topping mixture, and then you're going to put the rest of your batter on top of that. Once your cake is properly layered, you're going to take the leftover topping and you're just going to sprinkle that on top. And this cake cooks for between 50 to 60 minutes until at the touch the cake springs back. You don't want it to be too soft, you want it to be very spongy. This is the perfect cake to serve when you have some last minute guests. If you want to just throw something together, it's perfect for a breakfast dish, or it's also good for something dinner, maybe after dinner, something light that's not too heavy for your guests. You can serve it with a bit of whipped cream, a bit of ice cream in the summertime, or even just on its own. It's perfect. So now is time for the taste test. This cake honestly looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. It seems very soft on the inside and smells amazing. Wow, almost like a unbelievable flavor. Let me just try this again. The combination with the apples, the cinnamon, and then on top, we put a bit of caramel sauce on this. Oh, unbelievable. The perfect amount of sweetness, so it's not overbearing, but still just touches your sweet tooth. With this beautiful cake, I'm enjoying a cup of caffè americano. For those of you who want to try this recipe, it's in the description box below. As well, I have an Instagram page, A Taste of Roseto Valfortore, where you'll find behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and little descriptions of the different recipes that I'm cooking, so you can follow my culinary journey. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you've tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, buon appetito. Mom, it's so good. Sorry. Ew! Okay, there's a bug. Are you... Okay.